Good morning, my senior KG kids. I welcome you all for the second session. I am Nancy ma'am, and today we will be continuing with the revision of an English topic, that is myself. Do you all remember what does myself mean? Myself means introducing yourself. That is introduction of yourself. Children, yesterday we met two friends. Do you remember their names? They had introduced themselves for us, right? They were Rita and John. Say hi to your friends. Yes. So today, once again, we will meet two new friends. They are Anna and Pat. Myself. Hi friends. I will introduce myself first. My name is Anna. I am a girl. I am 4 years old. I go to 9 kids school. I study in senior KG. My telephone number is 9987113217. Hello friends. My name is Pat. I am a boy. I am 5 years old. I go to 9 kids school. I study in senior KG. My telephone number is 7013364199. Now kids, we shall write myself in a notebook. So take a well sharpened pencil and open a fresh page. We shall start with today's date, that is 1/1/11.2.21. Leave 3 finger space for the heading. M capital Y S E L F. Myself. Start with the first sentence. M Y. My. 1 finger space. N A M E. Name. I S. Is. And a dash. You have to complete the sentence with a full stop. So here you have to write your name. And remember, the name starts with capital alphabet. My name is. Here you have to write your name. Now the next sentence. I am a, again a dash and full stop to complete the sentence. So the sentence would be I am a girl. 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 And if you are a boy, you have to write I am a boy. 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 Now the next sentence. I am dash Y E A R S years OLD old and a full stop. We read sentences. I am 4 if you are 4 years old. FOUR 4 years old. And if you are 5, I am FIVE 5 years old. Next sentence, number 4. We will write I G O, go, T O, to, 9, one finger space, K capital, I D S. Kids, again S capital, C H O O L, school, and a full stop. I go to 9 kids school. Now the next sentence, sentence number 5. I study, S T U D Y, I N in S capital, R dot K capital, G capital, and a dot. So the sentence would be I study in senior KG. Now the next sentence. M Y, my telephone. T E L E P H O N E, number. N U M B E R I S is and a dash, then a full stop to complete the sentence. It's my telephone number is. So here we will write telephone number of mama or dada. Children, now you all very well know how to introduce yourself, right? So now let's revise one more topic in English, that is opposites. Do you all remember you had learned this topic as well? Yes. So what is the meaning of opposites? Opposites mean words which are completely different from another word in meaning. Children, let's see some images related to opposites. This is a big hot air balloon, and this is small balloons. So big, small. Next we have a tall giraffe, and this is a short rabbit, right? So tall, short. Next we can see two kids who are very happy, and here we can see they are sad. So happy, sad. Let's see one more. Here kids are running fast, and here they are slow. So fast, slow. Now kids, let's do a similar activity in our English classwork book. Children, open page number 117. I repeat, page number 117 given in your English classwork book. It says, join the words and pictures to the correct opposite. So let's start. The first picture is of a camel. Camel is tall. So the opposite of tall would be short. Can you see the deer on the either side? Yes. So let's join. Tall, short. Next image is thumbs up. So the word is up. Opposite of up would be down. So here it is. Up, down. Next we have a big elephant. And opposite of big would be small. So let's join. Big elephant, small mouse. Next image is a boy sitting under a hot sun. Right? Hot. The opposite of hot would be cold. So where do we find cold? It's right here. Hot, cold. Next we have fast. An opposite of fast would be slow. Right? Can you see the tortoise? Yes. So fast, slow. And the last one is night. Opposite of night would be day. Night, day. So kids, you all have to complete this activity given in your English classwork book. It's on page number 117. Children, for homework, you all have to complete page number 136. I repeat, page number 136 given in your English homework book. So children, keep revising all the topics and keep watching the videos. I shall see you in the next session. Take care. Bye-bye.